This is what it looks like after we pack walk these guys. Instead of just letting them run and be all excited all the time, we channel the energy through forward movement, which is a migration, right? A pack walk, right? So we move in a certain direction all together as one, where they follow and explore. Some of them might do even some play. If it's if they're not getting too far from us or anything like that, they play within the perimeter that we like them to stay in. And this is what it looks like after the pack walk. Filling up the pool for these guys. Some of them are still a little bit playful after their walk. They're catching their energy. They're getting cooled down. They're starting to get up. Hey, that's an airplane.